Okay, this is a turtle. We found him in the garage. And we're going to try to save him. Although he's scaring me. Okay.
Quickly.
Okay, let me take a break.
We're not going to kill him here. Just to let you know. Oh, he's moving.
Oh, God. He's not moving fast, though.
Luckily.
Okay, we can't get him with the rake.
Well, we could rake him.
Okay. How'd you get in here, dude? We can't get him with the rake. Dude. How did you get in here? Oh,
who's coming out to us? Dang it.
Until I did that.
Yeah.
Come on.
See, now you can rake him out.
I need the rake's behind to get him. Maybe if I scare him out this way.
Is there like a plasticky rake?
What's this right here? Yeah, how about this?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, this.
Okay, he's still there. He really has not moved at all. This rescue operation has to go directly as planned. Yeah, I think that chair, you can put him on top. Stop him with the rake.
How come you're not going in your shell? Yeah, get in there. Get in there and get scared. Come on.
God, what
Come
an
on.
idiot.
Listen, since when? What are you trying to be? The brave turtle? Come on,
The
get
brave
in your
turtle that likes
shell.
to attack people.
Get in your shell. So we're trying to save you, man. It's okay. How can I get him? I'm gonna have to pick him up, and I don't want to. No, don't get back in there, dude. Okay.
Okay, here.
Yeah, get this on camera.
Oh, I am so getting this on. Wait, stop.
Do I have to get from behind?
There's a small chair over there.
No, don't go under there.
Crap. He knows our secret.
Dude.
Let's move this. You know that, like... Wait, there's a bucket over there we could put him in.
Where?
Right over here. I mean, it's a little bit dirty, but I don't think you'll really care. Point is, we're trying to save you, Mr. Turtle. This will be your longest clip ever.
Yeah. And the wimpiest one.
Will be also the coolest, though.
Come on. All right. I'm gonna tap you out now. Come on. Move it. Oh, he's coming out. Here, let's keep it. Let's trick him. Like, tell him he's not gonna go in there yet. See? Crap.
This is intense. Maybe if he just goes in his stupid little shell,
Right.
this would all be over with, Mr. Turtle.
You're gonna get hurt in there.
Here. Can I place this down and then maybe, like, go from another side? We can both.